it's been a while since I recorded. What you guys say?
Man, it's good to be out again.
We got the whips. What that is? We got the whips. Huh?
Gotta go to Walmart, somewhere that he's not allowed to be.
No, don't say that. Don't say that.
Hey, cut that out, cut that out.
I'm putting by good. Bro, coming, but oh yeah, look. God.
Hey,
Come on,
that
man.
ain't me. That ain't me. Hey.
Come on, man.
That's someone else. That's someone called the sun, bro.
So it's been a while since I recorded. Hey, test the mic, test the mic, test the mic. Oh, let me show y'all. Let me show y'all something. I got this little gadget. Put my phone on here, and when I recorded that Sonoma Raceway video, all that wind, so we're not gonna have that problem with wind anymore. And now I got this little. What do you call this thing?
This is 3 months of not shaving.
What are you doing? I'm sure there's a difference in quality sound without the mic. Wait, what are we doing?
Shit, we're
Oh,
taking
when we go to Walmart, we can't take this in.
I know.
You have to record just like that.
Yeah. Let me put y'all back on this thing. Yeah.
Them pigos.
Them pigs. Tim is not here today.
He's being a fake one.
Oh my. And Marco is having dinner with his brother. What you gotta say about that?
Man, I need more. Miss Marco, man.
Hey, let's take the supercharged BMW.
It's a sleeper. What's in it?
Huh?
What's in it?
It's a 6.3 liter Whipple supercharger.
No, it's got There you go. Oh yeah, we never really showed you your car last time. Remember when we went to what was the last video that we made? Santa Rosa. Yeah. All right, so this is his whip. This has been his whip, but it's because last time we took mine. What are you doing? You can't be doing that. Don't do that, boy. But huh?
97, 540i, 4.4 liter. Had about 2 years.
Yeah. And it's got a little Bay Area sticker. Yup.
This car's waiting to die, bro.
What's that mean?
It's older than you.
It is older.
Don't disrespect that.
Nerd.
Hey, bro, I'm older than my car.
Yeah.
Yeah,
What year is yours?
mine's an 08, bro.
Still in high school.
What happened over here? Hey, what's up right here?
That's what happens when you live in E&M Street.
E&M Street. What's this say? Drag. You got light? You got light on you?
It's a sleeper build.
Shh. Look at that big radio back in the back.
Big old tractor tires.
Hey, how'd you put that tire on?
By myself.
How?
Water, dish soap, crowbar,
There you go.
and manly hands.
Huh?
Manly hands.
Huh?
Manly hands.
Oh.
What them hands do?
What a man, Bill.
What her name
Let's
is?
take this John. Let's take this John to Walmart.
We're taking this one then?
It's up to him. I mean, I don't know.
Hey, why does Kevin look like, you know when you strike the matches? You know the matches?
Huh?
Right on the top? Hey, he ain't gonna be the only one with the big boy brakes anymore.
Huh?
I found some Akimotos in my car for 700 bucks. Rotors, calipers, pads, and everything. And hopefully next time you guys see it, it's gonna be big brake.
All right, let's see. We'll see what the setup right now.
Small boys. Hey, other side.
Wait, what? Why the other side?
Don't worry about it.
Hey, you know those videos where they keep backing you up until you hit and then they say good? Alright, keep going, 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 keep going. Stop! Go forward. What are you doing right there?
Hey, y'all want to see something pretty funny? Hey,
Huh?
follow me.
Huh? Follow you?
Hey, put it in neutral real quick.
Put it in neutral?
Motherfucker.
Let go of the brakes.
Right there.
What's up?
I got something to show y'all. Come here. Alright, if y'all ever see this Evo in town, just know you can do this.
Now they gonna steal my shit.
Now you gotta get that shit fixed now. Oh, let's see your brakes.
Oh yeah.
Use your flashlight.
Alright. I ain't gonna have these small boys no more. Oh, do you want these?
What?
For your, when you get a hydro? I'm not gonna need it anymore.
Oh, that's true, huh? Yep.
Yo, I'm gonna get rid of those. And get the big boys like those right there, look. I'm not gonna have the small brakes anymore, I'm gonna have the big boys like that.
Big Brembos.
Hey, but yeah, which ones do you want though? Which ones are gonna work? Is it gonna be the front
Probably
one?
the rears.
The rear? The
Yeah.
tiny ones?
Yeah, because these are tiny too. Look.
You
Yeah.
want the big-
No. No, I need that one. Look.
That's the one you need?
Yeah.
Alright.
Look.
For your drifty boys.
Yep. Don't look at the wheels. I'm getting new wheels. Oh yeah. Let's hear your car.
It's a sleeping build.
It's a sleeping build.
All you snack packs don't try.
Huh?
All you snack packs don't try. You please.
Oh, you snack. I didn't see that. Jeez! Hey, why is it flashing?
These ones right here. So Z1, if you want to sponsor me, please. I need these for that.
They
car.
didn't sponsor you.
Why you say it like that? Hey, what you doing? Hey!
Alright, let's go to Walmart.
Alright, let's go Walmart. Huh?
What you gonna do?
Hey, I think something missing here.
Huh?
What's it? What name it?
Huh?
Hey, wait a minute. What? What is this? Why is it got a ring? Huh? What's that name, mommy?
Bro, my fucking shoes are too big, bro.
Man, you breaking everything.
You fit?
Oh God! My Air Force is too big, bro.
Alright, so
Who's slapping? Oh,
we haven't made.
Copyright.
Oh, copyright.
Alright, hold on. Let me make a little. Turn on your lights. Can't see in too dark. Alright, so we haven't made a video in a long time, huh?
No.
So what you doing? So
Hey, roll this John down.
can't breathe.
Oh shit, I'm going the wrong way.
You going?
Hey, watching that.
I'm gonna put in clips of videos that I've recorded, but I just kind of gave up on recording.
Wait, let me lock my shit. Oh my god.
God. But yeah, we went to he installed his new headlights,
Oh yeah, I forgot
so I'm gonna put that in here. And then what else? Oh yeah, we went to Santa Cruz, but I recorded just the intro, and then I just forgot to record. And then what else?
Hey,
oh, and then Tim got his new wheels.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
I
they haven't
forgot
seen
about
that yet?
No.
we did.
So I remember
New
I
video.
started recording and
Put 'em on.
No, I'm
Put 'em
gonna
on
put, I'm
the
gonna put
video.
all that in here. Yeah.
No, next video.
No, this video.
Okay.
Lights on, boy.
I'm good.
What the hell's going on with them?
You don't tell me what to do.
Do you have your lights on?
Can you see?
No, outside, motherfucker. Shit. I'm putting that in the video.
That's what he was saying. Huh?
Yeah.
I thought you were talking about the one that
Yeah.
Yeah. No. It's late.
Oh.
But what happened?
I think it's a little late, don't you think?
Oh.
Basically, we made a video today, but we forgot to do a little intro.
There you go. Suck the
So, welcome to this new vlog, and then like say, I can't show too much on this side, Marco.
Oh my bad. Intro to device.
What?
Diverse.
Those are gonna get brighter.
Right?
Man, you know how to film this way.
Of course not, bro. I'm not a YouTuber.
And then
That's what we got Mark to do, bro.
those are the lights.
It's not bad. Wait.
Those are bright.
They are great.
Those are the high beams.
Oh god. Hey, what's this?
Nothing. Yeah, I got the other side drawn.
So these are the OEMs?
Yeah, those are the original ones.
You need help?
Yes. Come here. She can help me. Yeah, like how we did last time. Lift it up.
Hey, you're hitting your car.
Wait.
Hey.
Is it supposed to go over the white thing? Or under the white thing?
Over? Yeah, over.
Oh, yeah.
I need you to hit it. Oh, your fender fucking moved.
Oh no, wait, did it?
I'm slowly rolling downhill. Yeah. Okay.
Yo, you two, what you doing?
What you doing, boy? Selling these TEs for at Chinese man.
Chinese man? Hey, don't scratch it, don't scratch it, don't scratch it, don't scratch it.
Oh, what's that noise?
Sir, what's this scratch?
No stress.
Hey, I don't think he needs this. Don't scratch it, don't scratch it, don't scratch it. The tease. Huh?
You see that blue car over there? It's got some knockoff wheels.
Uh-huh.
Hey, I need to be sponsored by Ray Fords. Come on, I'm working with you guys here. Look at this.
Oh, shit. What the fuck is wrong with your face? I know. I ain't in coil over his neck. Came back. What you gotta say? Oh, you got a new haircut.
Hey, we don't speak about that.
Hey, where's your car over?
Ah, shit. Let me show you my shit box. Still the same car. Still dirty. Still got the crank.
Hey, what happened not too long ago?
Shut the fuck up.
We're back in business.
Yes, sir. We had to go to Walmart, but we couldn't record inside.
Yeah. I had to delete a lot of stuff on my phone.
Like what?
Just to have a lot of pictures.
No.
Nothing. Nothing. Where were you got on your phone?
None. Oh, I found some brakes for my car.
You did?
Yes, sir.
You don't need no
brakes.
I put my thing back inside my
Yeah,
my
I think
mic.
it's in the
Yeah, I
back.
put it in the back. But basically, what we missed was your headlights.
Oh yeah.
Remember the fucking?
Oh, you.
I ain't gonna say nothing. I'm
Yeah,
gonna
yeah,
let the video. I'm gonna
Call
let
the
the
phone?
video handle that business. It was the headlights. Then what? And then Tim's wheels.
Oh, my car didn't have the high flow cast. Oh no, it did.
It did. Huh? What?
Oh, I mean the nothing.
I'm gonna just put all the videos that we've missed. Tim's wheels, Santa Cruz, and then we recorded a video at the end of the gym. Remember when we came out the gym food? And yeah. So that's it for this video. What you gotta say?
Subscribe.
Well, that's the end of the video. This time for real. I had to
You can't look them over. You can't do that.
Yeah, I had to delete some stuff, but yeah. That's the end of the video. Say bye. Say you like, subscribe.
Later, bitches. Like,
Motherfucker. Alright, say how you said it last time.
Share the video to your family, friends, sisters, teachers, president, man.
Alright, that's the end of the video. Say bye.